Hi, my name's George Smith. I work in the Stuart location, MarineMax, and we're going to do a walkthrough on the SPX 230 bow rider, Sea Ray, of course. So this boat is in our showroom. I'd like to view this with you so we can have a good understanding of all the nice functionality and all the room in the vessel. As you can see, there's two captain's chairs, the port and the starboard captain's chair. Beautiful layout on the dash with the depth finder, enclosed head, ample seating in the bow area. Okay, bow cover, of course. And this is the boat from the bow looking aft. Bimini top, snap-in carpet available. It is on board but in the head compartment. Plenty of storage throughout, and with the outboard there's plenty of storage in the transom of the boat across the back. I can be reached at 908-675-6746 if you'd like to have a closer look. George Smith.